Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I will be assembling some water weave 925 silver plated pendant necklaces. Very pretty chain this. Similar to Singapore weave chain, except that has gaps in between it, whereas this does not. It's a single weave, as you can see. Very pretty. Ultra reflective due to the silver. So if I can see the hallmarkage there, 925. This has all been, by the look of it, thickly plated with silver. It's actually quite weighty also. And these pendants I'll be putting on there. Got jade and lava and some rainbow fluorite there. A couple will be removable also. That's why I've got the clasps on them. Not too much work this will take. Tanglage. Very pretty chains. Look at that. Lovely things. So, won't take long at all. Break from my usual laborious type stuff. These will be for sale on my eBay eventually, along with probably 100 or so other items when I do the next eBay update. She'll probably be a little while off. I've still got lots of projects and stuff to do first. I was hoping to do it quicker and update my store quicker, but it's a hell of a lot of work. So I'll have to wait a little while. Possibly after my next large tin forging. The price of tin has risen, both on my site and elsewhere. Forced me to put the price up. So this is in China, being limited. Any metals, pretty much. They just don't like selling metals to us, for obvious reasons. Since a lot of metal is used in military technology, which we may use one day against them, so I can see why they wouldn't want to, give us metal. Never mind the rare earth kind that they use to make things like AI robots and kill bots and drones and stuff like that. It's not pleasant. But they have the same technology, there's no point saying otherwise. Ultra shiny and reflective, this water weave chain. Lovely style. Bit tangly though, due to its... Look at that. Tangles weirdly easily. Don't recommend wearing these in layers, as in more than one. As this will probably get tangled up with other jewellery. These have some filigree upon them, these lava beads, so the lava and jade bead there. They're all quite nice. This is rainbow fluorite. A nice material. I'll probably end up working with more of that in the future. I haven't worked with stone in a while. Do like working with some stones, magical stone stuff. Who don't like that? So I'll put these split rings on. Actually hurt my hand opening them. Not take long at all. Is that all of them? Yep. Last chain. It's a little break from, as I said, usual laborious work. Just some jewellery assemblage. I've already made a bracelet and several other things today though, which I will show. Where's the other bit? Oh, there we go. That's quite nice, that one. Well, they're all nice, but I like this one. I like the contrast between the green and the black. Seems sort of like, I don't know, naturey themed. Feels like it anyway. So there's the 5 what we've changed with the pendant assembled. We'll likely keep one of them, probably that one, the one I like, and sell all the others. So let's have a little look. Wow, they're very pretty. Love the reflection on there. Look at all them twinkles. Twinkly twinkly. There's the pendants, all very nice. You can see rainbow fleur right there in the middle. Sort of looks like quartz, has sort of different frostings, can be green, purple, blue, all sorts of strange colours, obviously, rainbow. So, all very nice. There's a nice sort of large pile sort of formed there. Let's look what I made earlier. Another bracelet. This is a infinity link bracelet, 8-inch, made of sustainable copper. That's what I made earlier. And I also made another necklace. Where's that? Oh, never mind, that's in my front room window. Put it up in the window since it looks nice. Anyway, let's look at these. Well, till next time.